Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in this series of OpenCV, I am going to start with a program in which we will see that how you can save a file with some more operations. So let's start. Here I am going to use the import CV2, and then we are taking the image equals to CV2 dot imread to load the image, and here I'll be taking the image lena.jpg which we are having. If I am not mentioning -1, then also it is coming in -1 only, so I can skip it because it is the default value. So here I am just checking imshow and the image and the img, which is the variable for the image which we have taken. Now I am just taking k equals to cv2 dot wait key 0. So what is actually happening? The wait key functionality I have already explained in the first video, and here the value of this event will be stored in this k variable. It's just a variable which is storing the value of this wait key 0 right now. When we run it and close it, so the value will be stored in k. Now if k equal to 27, and whereas 27 is the ASCII code of escape key. Okay, so what we are doing, we are taking cv2 dot destroy all windows. So what will be happening if we are pressing the escape key? So like escape key is having the ASCII code 27. So if we are pressing the escape key, so it will be just checking the condition coming inside and it will be destroying the window. That will close the window basically. And I'm taking else if, and here I'm taking k equals to ord, that is for the order, and I'm giving s. So it will be considering this S key. When we will be pressing this S key, that time it will be verifying this condition and making it true. So to save the things, we are taking this, but it's not compulsory to take S only to save, because if whatever key you are taking, it will be matching. So it will be coming inside this condition, and here I am taking the function imwrite. Now here I am taking the name lena.jpg. Let's change it. I'm taking lena underscore copy, and I'm also able to change the format. Like while making a copy or saving the file, we can just decide the format also and the image variable I have passed. So the image which I had loaded, that was in -1. You can see, like if I have not written -1, let's write it also. So then also it will be opening in the default value, that is the alpha mode, including the alpha mode, the original image. And then I will be taking cv2 dot destroy all windows. So what will be happening if I will be pressing the escape key? Let me write here escape key. So if we are pressing the escape key, so it will be just coming inside this and it will be destroying, that will be closing the window. And if we are pressing the S key from the keyboard, so it will be saving the file in the same folder and then it will be destroying the window. So here you can see I am not having any other file apart from lena.jpg, and let me show you this clearly. Here I'm just magnifying it. So here you can see I'm not having, apart from lena.jpg, any other file. But when we'll be running this particular code, so the lena underscore copy png file will be obviously created. Okay, so here I'm just going to run this program now. And here you can see the image is opened here simply. Now I am going to press the escape key, and as I have pressed the escape key, the window is closed. Okay, the first function is going properly. Now I am again running the file, and this time I will be pressing S key from my keyboard. You can see my cursor is not on the cross button or somewhere. I am just pressing key S from my keyboard. I am going to press it, and as I will be doing that, one copy will be created and saved into the folder which we are having, the project folder, same folder, and the window will be closed. I have pressed the S, and here you can see lena underscore copy png images also created. So we will be like having two images. You can see we are having two, lena.jpg, that was the original image, and the lena underscore copy.png, that is the image which we have created with the help of imwrite command in the OpenCV module. So you can see this is the original image and this is the copy. The only difference is now this is the PNG format and this was the JPG format. It's not necessary to change the format. It's up to you. If you require, you can change the format. Otherwise, it's fine. You do not have to change. but I was just telling that you can do that. So I hope whatever I have told in this particular video, that is clear. In case you are having any confusion, you can ask that in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and also press the notification bell, because after subscribing the channel, if you have not pressed the notification bell for all, you won't be getting the notifications of my channel. So see you in the next video, and stay tuned.